Your Windows 10 computer will usually get several updates that will be pushed by Microsoft. These updates help improve the operating system by fixing some of the bugs present and making it more secure. Sometimes, though, there will be certain issues that occur when getting these updates. In this latest installment of our troubleshooting series, we will show you how to fix your device's missing important security and quality fixes error. First, uninstall and reinstall the update. There are certain instances when Windows will not be able to completely download and install the update due to certain issues. When this happens, the best thing that you can do is to uninstall then reinstall the update. To do this, press Windows key plus press R on your keyboard to run dialog box. At run dialog box, type appwiz.cpl and press enter. At Programs and Features, click View Installed Updates. Then, look for the updates that have been installed recently, then select them. Then, click on Uninstall and follow any additional on-screen instructions. And then, repeat the uninstall process for any of the new updates. Once done, hold Windows key and press I to open Settings. Then, click Update and Security. Then, click Check for Updates. Check if the problem still occurs. Next, change the telemetry level. Telemetry is system data that is uploaded by the connected user experience and telemetry component, which is also known as the Universal Telemetry Client. Microsoft uses this data to identify security and reliability issues, to analyze and fix software problems, to help improve the quality of Windows and related services, and to make design decisions for future releases. Sometimes changing the level of telemetry will fix this particular problem. To do this, press Windows key and press R on your keyboard to open Run Dialog Box. At Run Dialog Box, type gpedit.msc and press enter. Then, go to the following path: Computer Configuration, then Administrative Templates, then Windows Components, then Data Collection and Preview Builds. Then, locate and double-click Allow Telemetry option from the right pane. And then, select the enabled option. And then, select Basic or Enhanced or Full from the drop-down menu. Choose whatever you like. Make sure the drop-down option isn't set to Security only. Once done, click Apply, then select OK. Then, restart your computer, then check if the problem still occurs. Thanks for watching this short video tutorial. I hope that this has helped you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.